Hello students, hope you all are safe at your home. So today I am going to teach you about managing files and folders. Window Explorer. Window Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. To open Windows Explorer, click on the Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories, then Window Explorer option. You can also open it by selecting Computer option. For creating a folder, right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Place the pointer on the New option. A list of sub-options appears. Click on the Folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the Enter key. A new folder is created. Moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another. Moving a file and folder means shifting it from its original location to another location, whereas copying a file and folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file and folder. Select any file or folder that you want to move or copy. Click on Organize button and select Cut or Copy option from the drop-down menu. From the left pane, select the drive where you want to move or copy the file. Now click on the Paste option in the Organize drop-down menu. After this, notice that the files gets moved or copied to the new location. If you want to move or copy your file or folder from one device to another, suppose you want to copy or move your file from your computer to a pen drive, then follow these steps. Attach the pen drive to your computer. Now right-click on the Start button and select the Open Windows Explorer option. Select D drive from the navigation pane on the left. Select the file or folder that you want to move to the pen drive. Right-click on the file or folder and select the Cut option from the shortcut menu. Click on the pen drive icon from the left pane. The drive opens up. Right-click on the blank area in the right pane and select the Paste option. You will observe that the selected file or folder is shifted from the D drive of your computer to the pen drive. You can also delete the unwanted files or folders from your computer system. To delete a file or folder, follow these given steps. Select the file or folder you want to delete. Click on the Organize button and select the Delete option from the drop-down menu. A message box appears to confirm the deletion. Select Yes to confirm. You will find that the selected file or folder has been deleted. Files or folders which are deleted can be restored to their original locations by using Recycle Bin. For using Recycle Bin, double-click on the Recycle Bin folder. Select the file or folder you want to restore. Click on the Restore this item option on the toolbar, or you can also right-click on the file or folder you wish to restore. Select the Restore option from the context menu. Selected file or folder disappears from the Recycle Bin window and gets restored at its original location. Searching a file or folder. Windows offers a number of ways to find files and folders. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Click on the Start button. You will find the search box at the bottom left pane. Type a part or complete name of your file and folder. Select the desired file or folder. Double-click on it to open that file. Wildcard characters also can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name you do not know. The wildcard character asterisk, जो कि एक स्टार की शेप का होता है, it can be used to replace a string of text in search term. Suppose if I am searching for L asterisk, It means I am searching for the file जिसका नाम L से start होता है. And the wildcard character question mark can be used in place of any single letter or symbol. Suppose I am searching for the file जिसका नेम keeps से स्टार्ट होता है और docs पे ख़त्म होता है. Then I have to write keeps question mark docs. Sorting files. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in proper order. Windows lets you to sort files by name, size, item type, and date modified. For this, right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort By option and click on the Name sub-option. Then select the option in which way you want to organize your files. Sometimes you may need to work with multiple applications. Windows 7 allows you to open several applications and work in them at the same time. Open two windows back to back, then right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Windows Side by Side option. Both application windows will be displayed side by side. So students, your chapter has finished now. Thank you and have a nice day.